Natural vegetation means vegetation which is naturally found. That means there is no any human interference, no human interference. It is naturally found. Naturally found. Wildlife is also which is naturally found. Okay. So if you look at India, India is having a variety of natural vegetation, variety of climate for that matter. So a lot of changes are there across. Desert is there, cold is there, valley is there, okay. Plains is there, everything. Okay. So when you look at the forest, the necessity of forest is right on temperature and rainfall is important, okay, which determines the density of the forest, the density of the forest. Okay. Okay, as I said, if there is no any human interference, then we call it as a natural vegetation. Okay, not only forest, we can have a grassland also. Some places are only pure grassland. Shrubs also found. Okay, particularly in the arid region. Right on the word arid, A-R-I-D, arid. Okay, arid region means the region which is having a dry land. Okay, or less rainfall. Less rainfall. Okay. Different types of forest is there. First among them is right now tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forest. It is also known by the name rainforest. Tropical evergreen forest. It is also known by the name rainforest. Okay, they are found very near to the equator. They are found around the equator. This type of forest is found in the equator. For example, Brazil, Amazon. You could have heard about Amazon. Amazon river, Amazon forest. It is known as lungs of the earth. It is so dense that much of oxygen they produce. Known as produce that much oxygen we known as lungs of the earth, which is Amazon forest. That is in Brazil. Okay. So very important keyword when you talk about evergreen forest is it is found in the equator and very close to the tropics. Okay. Heavy rainfall throughout the year. This type of forest is located in a region. Heavy rainfall throughout the year. So you can say approximately 250 centimeter rainfall happens annually. 250 centimeter rainfall happens annually. Okay, no particular season called dry season. There is no dry season. Okay, trees do not shed their leaves. Trees do not shed their leaves. That is why the word evergreen. Okay. And I can't say that they will not shed the leaves at all. Okay, but they will not shed the leaves together simultaneously. No, they will shed their leaves, but not simultaneously. But not simultaneously. But not simultaneously. Okay. Thick canopy, a kind of jungle. You can see how dense it is. Thick canopy. Okay. It is not possible sunlight to penetrate. So dense that sunlight cannot penetrate. Okay. One more word right now. They are found in layers. They are found in layers. They are found in layers. Example: rosewood, ebony, mahogany. These are the examples of tropical evergreen forest or tropical rainforest. Okay, anaconda is very famous. You might have heard about large snakes. Okay, they are found in tropical rainforest. They can kill and eat large animals such as crocodile. Okay, around 20 years back, I think there was one movie called Anaconda. Now, tropical deciduous forest. So when the word deciduous comes, means that trees will shed their leaves simultaneously. Trees shed their leaves simultaneously in dry season. So these are forests located where there are seasonal rainfall. Rainfall is not throughout the year. What is the tropical evergreen forest located? They're located near the equator, where the rainfall is throughout the year. The rainfall is throughout the year. Rainfall is throughout the year. But here rainfall is seasonal. Sometimes only rainfall will be, sometimes rainfall will not be there. Example, Indian monsoon climate itself. Okay. When you will have a rainfall in Indian monsoon? During which period?
Summer season.
During summer season. Okay, only 4 months you got a rainfall. Okay. So thereby you don't have throughout the rainfall. Because of that, only those period you have a evergreen. Other times it will be shedding their leaves. Example, right on sal, teak, neem, shisham. These are the examples of deciduous forest. In fact, this forest is also known by the name monsoon forest. This forest is also known by the name monsoon forest. Monsoon forest. Okay. Teak and sal is a very important typical example for this. Understood? So tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest. Okay. Then comes temperate evergreen forest. Temperate region means they are found in the region which is cooler region. That means between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of not Tropic of Cancer, between the Arctic Circle. Okay, between the Arctic Circle and the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, that means you can say approximately 30 to 60 degree or 66 degree. That timeline you call it temperate zone. Okay, that means cooler zone. Okay, which has got 4 seasons. Right now, temperate zones will have 4 seasons. 4 seasons. Four seasons. Okay, so they are mid-latitude regions. They are found in USA, South China, Southeast Brazil. Okay, they are examples: oak, pine, eucalyptus. Then comes temperate deciduous. So temperate also has got evergreen and temperate also got deciduous. Shed their leaves. Okay. These are found little interior, right on. These are found little interior away from the coast. So rainfall will be less. Rainfall will be less. Example, look at this. Oak is there in the evergreen also and here also. Ash, beech. These are the examples of temperate deciduous forest. Temperate deciduous forest. Mediterranean. Okay, we know about Mediterranean. Divya can tell me what is specialty about Mediterranean climate?
Rainfall in the winter season.
Rainfall in the winter season. Yeah. So this forest is a coastal climate. They are found in the coastal areas. They are found in the coastal areas. Thereby, they are moderate climate also. They are moderate climate. Okay. And vegetation is evergreen. Vegetation is evergreen. 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 Some deciduous is also found. But most of these Mediterranean trees have been replaced by orchards. Okay, they are known as orchards of the world. Fruits cultivation. Fruits cultivation. Fruits cultivation. Okay, vineyard. Okay, vineyard. What is known as by the name viticulture. Viticulture. Okay, so Mediterranean climate is found in South America, Southwest Australia. Okay, I told you it's yesterday one example called Adelaide. Adelaide, okay. South America, Central Chile, all this place. Okay, they're very famous for citrus fruit. Okay, citrus fruit, oranges, fig, olives, grapes, and wine making. They are very famous in wine making, vineyard. Okay, and there isn't much wildlife here. Okay? Not much wildlife found in the Mediterranean. Okay, they are found around the Mediterranean Sea and also in the western part of the continent. That is very important keyword, western part of the continent. Okay. Western part of the continent. Coniferous forest. Okay, these are found in higher altitude. Okay, so coniferous, it's a kind of adaptation they do to reduce the snow fall on them. When the snow falls, they'll come to the ground. They'll not hang. That is known as coniferous forest. Coniferous forest. They are tall, soft, evergreen. Okay, they are mainly used for paper and newsprint right now. They are mainly used for paper and newsprint. Example. Okay, chir, pine, cedar. Chir, pine, cedar. Chir, pine, and cedar. You can write down this word taiga. Taiga means pure, untouched. So this type of forest is a pure forest. That means not only untouched, but same species variety you find. Okay, same species variety you find. Same species variety you find. That means if you find a pine and cedar, then entire forest will be same forest. Okay. And that is something very different between the evergreen forest and here. The tropical evergreen, there's a lot of diversity of forest, lot of diversity of the species. But here same species is found. Right now, taiga has got a same species. Okay. Grassland. Okay. Grassland can be divided into tropical grassland, also known by name. Another name is temperate grassland. Tropical grassland, we use the word savanna. Savanna, mainly coming from the word Sudan. So it is on a Sudan climate also. Okay, they are very, can grow very tall. Okay, savanna, I told you just now. Okay, they are very famous for all types of these herbivores, elephant, zebra, giraffe, deer, leopard, all this. Is an example. So it will not be greenish because it is tropical, no, lot of dryness will be there. But whereas temperate grassland will be very green, okay, and be very high nutritious also. Temperate grassland, okay, they are very good. Okay, write down some of the examples. Downs in Australia, okay, prairies, prairies, prairies in North America. These are some for example. Okay, they are very famous for dairy products. Okay, they are very famous for dairy products. They are very famous for wheat cultivation. Right on wheat cultivation. Wheat cultivation. In fact, this climate is also known by the name steppe climate. This climate is also known by the name steppe climate. It is known by different names in different places. I think they are giving somewhere. Look at this. Please copy down this. This also copy down and this also copy down. Okay, in Africa it is known as savanna, Brazil, Campos, Venezuela it is known as llanos. Okay, if you've done this, then copy down the concept called tundra. I'll explain how this happens. Is I think I have said somewhere. Okay, when you look at height wise the mountains, and when this height is more, the cold is more. No, likewise if you go latitude wise near to the North Pole, if you go a South Pole, it is highly cold. There you have got this tundra climate. It is extremely cold. Nothing can grow. Okay, nothing can grow. Only mosses and lichens will grow. Mosses and lichens will grow. That is known as tundra climate. Tundra climate. That is known as tundra climate. Tundra climate. Okay, so taiga is cold only, but extremely cold is tundra. Okay, taiga has got some vegetation, but tundra will not have any kind of vegetation. Okay. But a lot of animals will be there. It is very useful for fur industries will be there again. Polar bear, all these are found in tundra regions. Look at this. These are examples of tundra. You will not find any kind of vegetations here. Yeah, mosses and lichens are found in tundra vegetation. Thorny bushes are found in. Where is it found?
Hot and dry desert.
Hot and dry. Okay. In a tropical evergreen forest, one of the common animal is
Monkey.
monkey. Okay. One important variety of coniferous forest is
Pine.
pine. Stephy grassland is found in
South Asia, Central Asia,
Central Asia, South Asia. What country? South Asia. Okay. Divya has come back to home. Huh?
No, sir. At PG, Thrissur itself.
A lot of kids are there around you.
Kids came here, sir.
Active, tell me now, ma'am. Okay, this one who would solve me? Walrus. I didn't teach you specifically, but try this. Walrus. Okay, cedar, olives, elephant, compose, downs. Downs we know. Where is downs?
Australia,
Australia. Okay, compose.
Brazil,
Brazil. Tropical grasslands. It's a
Grassland.
tropical grassland. Tropical grassland, Brazil. Okay, elephant are found in deciduous forest. Okay. Softwood tree. I think cedar will be softwood. Olive. Olive is kind of citrus fruit.
citrus fruit,
So walrus will be
polar animal.
Polar animal.
animal. Huh? Okay, check it here. Huh? Okay. Now, so that comes to an end of